In this video, I will show you how to sum numbers by weekday in Excel like this. So let's get started. I have some transactions with dates and amounts in this Excel sheet. Now I want to calculate the total amount by day of the week like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. For example, I want to sum these two amounts for Friday and I want to get the sum of these three amounts for Saturday. We can use the Excel SUMPRODUCT function to sum numbers by day of the week. I already have the date of the transactions in this column and the day name in this column. I will convert the transaction dates to day names using the Excel text function. The text function, as the name suggests, converts a number to text in the specified format. This function accepts two arguments, a number to convert to text and the format of the output. There are a variety of formats to choose from, but for this particular case, we can use the format dd to convert a date to a day name. For example, this text formula will return Sunday by converting the date 1st September 2024 and this text formula will return the text Thursday by converting the date 12th September 2024. We can also use the DDD format instead of the DD format to convert a date to a short day name like MON, TUE, etc. instead of the full day name. Once we get the day name from the date, I will compare it with the day name stored in E column. If the dates match, I want to sum the amount. Here is the formula that uses the sum product and text functions to calculate the total by day of the week. Here I have passed the range of the cells containing dates as the first argument of the text function. Since we have full day names in the E column, I have used the format dd to convert the dates to full day names. The text function returns an array of 7 elements containing full day names for all the dates. Each element of the array is then compared with the day name stored in the E column. This comparison also returns an array of 7 elements containing true and false values. A true value is returned when the day name of the date is equal to the day name of the E column, otherwise it returns a false value. I have then multiplied this array with the array of amount cells. This Boolean multiplication operation converts the true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. When these two arrays are multiplied, only the amount having the same day name will be multiplied by 1 and rest of the amount will be multiplied by 0, thus becoming 0. For Friday, the matching transaction days are the transaction numbers 3 and 5, so the array elements 3 and 5 have a value of 1 while the rest of the elements are 0. So when multiplied with the respective amount cells, elements having 0 will be multiplied by the amount and the result of that will be 0. Finally, the sum product function will add these amounts together and that will be the sum of the amounts by the day name. I will also make the amount and date range references absolute using the dollar signs like this so that they do not change when I drag the formula to other cells. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the sum of the amount by day of the week. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.